How to fix Instagram filter not working problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million IDs YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Instagram filter not working problem. So guys, if the filter is not working on your Instagram account, then what you have to do is, first of all, go to your Google Play Store from where you have downloaded the Instagram. So just type your Instagram and then just check whether the Instagram is asking for an update or not. Just click on the update and the problem will be solved. And guys, if the problem doesn't work, then don't worry, I will show you some more tips. What you have to do is you have to scroll down here and you can see here you're a beta tester. So I have already joined the beta tester, so it will be let me leave these ones and you can see a rejoin. So if you are new, then you will find a join only, not re. So I will rejoin it. So you have to join this beta tester and then the problem will be fixed. So if the problem doesn't work, then I have again more tips. I will show you. What you have to do is you have to go to your phone settings. You have to go to your phone settings and scroll down, go to app management and then search for Instagram. Here is it. Click on Instagram and what you have to do is, you can see a force stop. Just stop the force and then click on storage uses and then you have to clear all the data here and then you can see here permission, this permission. Just click on permission and then allow all the permission. As I have already allowed the permission, but I'm doing for you to solve your problem. So go back and the problem will be solved on your Instagram. So if the problem doesn't work, then what you have to do is uninstall the application, Instagram application, and then reinstall it and then log in it and just let's check it out. What will be the result? So let's check it out. So guys, sorry for the call. I will show you the problem to be fixed. Sorry for the call. And let's go to the photo. Just select one photo here and put it to next. And guys, let's see here, we can put to Instagram or not. It is already been put it on Instagram. So I will just delete this once. I will go to my story and I will click one picture here. And then guys, let's see it is working or not. Yeah, the filter is working. Just swipe on the right side. The filter is on process. Yeah, you can see here it's working. So this is how you can fix Instagram filter not working problem. Thanks for watching.